Hey YouTuber, Single Barker here. Just letting you guys know, this is a quick little update video because some new things are happening and some changes are getting put in effect. First change is, instead of having like a mini-series every month or so, I decided just to scratch all that, and now there is going to be something that I call this week's garbage trucks, which is basically the same thing. I will each footage I get from Monday and Tuesday, or just one of the days in that week, I will put in the video, have an intro like usual, and then on Thursday, same specific truck video schedule, same schedule. Tuesday, the video, Thursday a video. The only difference with the Tuesday is that it's never gonna end technically, I guess, because each week it's just gonna be the same title but with a different number for whichever week we are on. So pre-spring trash trucks and all that in the past is gone, and now it's just this week's garbage trucks. I will update the intro every once in a while because stuff does change. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, have a good rest of your day. Good morning, YouTubers. Single Barker here. Luke is coming picking up recycle. It's Tuesday morning, about 7 right now. Sorry about my voice if it sounds a little weird. I am recovering from being sick for like a week, so my voice might be a little off. But yeah. If you guys did not watch the announcement at the beginning of the video, I would recommend watching it. It actually does have important information in it that is probably good to know. There he goes, Single Barker out. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Comment, like, subscribe for more. I will see you guys later. That was Luke, Tuesday morning.